Your home's vibrant green lawn isn't just a symbol of pride, it's a sign of thoughtful care, expert planning, and reliable irrigation. At Rain One, we understand it's an investment too. That's why we provide a professional, worry-free experience every step of the way. As your partner, we provide clear expectations, prompt communication, and detailed timelines. We make sure your irrigation system installation is as minimally disruptive as possible. Our expert technicians ensure utilities are marked, hand-dig sensitive areas, and use minimally invasive machines. We provide respect for you and your property, and we'll leave your lawn looking neat as if we were never there. Once your system is installed, we remain your partner. We offer ongoing maintenance support so your system operates at peak efficiency. We're more than a service provider. We offer decades of expertise, eco-friendly, cost-effective solutions, and true customer satisfaction with an all-smiles guarantee. With bundled membership and financing options, we ensure your system performs year after year. For an exceptional experience and a committed partnership, choose Rain One. If we sound like a fit for you, get a quote today.